Hey guys, how are you all? A very warm welcome to your favorite channel, Vedanta Young Wonders. A very super Sunday to all of you. Enjoy your weekend, guys. And before that, let's have an amazing quiz on the topic Math Amaze. What are we going to learn today? Types of numbers. You already know what are the different types of numbers. So let's play a live quiz on that. Who all are excited? Who all are excited for this quiz today? Let me know faster, faster, faster. Just check the chat flow. Just give me 10 seconds, my dears. Let me know in the chat box who all are exciting for this new topic, and that is types of numbers. Hi all of you. Very good, Sharanya. I'm too excited to play a quiz with you all on Sunday. Very good, very good. Hi Shiba, hi Sharda, hi Aman. Hi Jha Kitchen, hi Neeraj, hi Sanjana, hi Sanjeev. A very warm welcome to once again all of you on your favorite channel Vedanta Young Wonders. Great, great, great. So have you all subscribed to the channel first of all? Have you all subscribed to your favorite channel Vedanta Young Wonders? Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes, yes, yes. Very good. Menti code is 519137. 519137. Faster, all of you be there in the class as well as Menti. And by that time, can you see the bell icon down? Can you see the bell icon? नीचे आपको bell icon दिख रहा है. Just click on that. Faster, faster, faster. Subscribe to the channel so that you don't miss out any live notifications, any bell icon notifications as in when the teachers are coming live, when we are posting the schedule for you, when we are posting any surprise, any new series coming up. Great going, great going. Very good, Hashmita. Yes, I am too excited. Let it be Sunday also, because we are learning something new, and that too, we are meeting each other and our friends. Very good, very good. Let's have more than 500 students in the class faster, along with the Menti. Subscribe to the channel and hit like the session if you enjoy. If you think that today's topic is going to be super exciting. Types of numbers. Faster, 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 faster. I am perfectly fine. Hi Kalpana, welcome to your first class, my dear. Subscribe to the channel right away. Subscribe to the channel. Anshika Sharma, all the best to your test for tomorrow. All the best. Hi Kanveer, hi Vishnuram, hi Banita Bansal, hi Samar Pratap, hi Divya, hi Manju, hi Birendra Murari. Birendra, my dear, the code is 519137. The code is 519137. Dance pe chance, I do remember you, don't worry. Nilimoy, the code is 519137. Faster, faster, faster. Join the Menti quiz and subscribe to the channel. I can see so many new joinees in the class today. So don't miss out to subscribe to the channel right away. And hit like the session. Hit like the session faster. I think today's session is going to be super amazing. Super amazing. All of you, it's quiz time. Faster, faster, faster. Great, great, great. Who's first class? Jayanti, yours first class too. Happy. Welcome, welcome, welcome. Shrishti, I'm not ignoring you, my dear. I never ignore anyone. Yes, Dishika Bansal, the code for today is 519137. Hi Morika, hi Shada, hi Shiba, hi Ramji Pandey, hi Sahil Dalal, hi Gauri Nandana, hi Myra Sehgal, hi Malish. Welcome, welcome, welcome to the class, my dears. So today we are going to learn about some different numbers like composite numbers, prime numbers, even numbers, odd numbers, decimals, fractions, so many different whole numbers, natural numbers, so many different types of numbers we have in maths. Yes or no? Yes? Any doubt in this? Any doubt? Hi to all of you. Hi, hi, hi. Good afternoon, Ankur Vasta. Good afternoon, my dear. Hi, Ishan Vidya. I do remember you. Oh, Naveen Kumar, you are from Africa. Oh, very good. Hi, Atyasha. Hi, Arush. Welcome to the class, my dears. Thank you, Heshwita. Thank you for your love. Super excited to know that your day doesn't end without meeting me. Thank you for your love. Thank you guys. Hi Rashi Soni. Hi Archana Nikam. Hi Sunil Nihar. Hi Manoj Kumar. Hi Divyanshi Shakya. Hi Priya Verma. I do remember you. Hi Umisha Thakur. A big hi to all of you. And a big shout out to each one of you. Join the Menti faster. The code is 519137. The code for today is 519137. Another 15 seconds and then your first question will be right there on your screen. Faster guys, faster. Hi Giriraj Prasad, hi Pavitra Dikshit, hi Satkratu, hi Sachin, hi Minakshi, hi Maya, such a nice name. Hi Anjana, hi Mamta Sharma, hi Bindya, hi Bhagya, hi Indu, hi Pratima, hi Sanjeev Kumar. I am not ignoring you, my dear. I am not ignoring at all. No PUBG discussions right now. We are here for Mathamaze series. Faster, guys. Okay, let's start the reverse counting. 10, 9, 8. Call your friends faster. Let's have more than 500 students. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And here comes your first question after I see your lovely emojis. Great. Faster. Let's have more than 500 students in the class as well as Menti. Shama Pathak, I am not ignoring you. Hi Science Never Ends. Hi Manan. Hi Nail. Such nice names today. Hi Anjani. Shiv Kumar, I am not ignoring you at all, my dear. Pihu, such a nice name. I am not ignoring anyone. Please pardon me if your names go because so many students are there in the class. More than 500 students. Great going. Sushil Kumari, how to open the Menti quiz? Go to a new page like this. Type www.menti.com, MENTI, and press enter. And put the code for today, and that is, my dear, 519137. Hi Fatima, hi Anand, hi Gaurav, hi Krish, hi Ramesh, hi Akash, hi Vindhya, hi Arav, hi Saturn Strikes. I do remember you. Lovely names. Greater class. I want everyone to be in the Menti as well as the class so that I can take your lovely names. Hi Sandhya, hi Samar Pratap, hi Harshil. So many new names. Have you all subscribed to the channel right now? So that you don't miss out anything. So we have more than 550 students in the class right now. More than 550 students in the class. Let's be faster. Okay, let's make it 600. Thank you, Vindhya. Thank you for being my fan. Thank you for the lovely comments, my dears. Hi, Alok. I've heard your name along. Hi, Bhavani. Great going, guys. Great going. So here comes your first question. Shankar Shah, happy birthday to you, my dear. God bless you. So enjoy the Menti quiz with us as your birthday gift. Faster. Are we all ready? Give me a big yo if you are ready for the today's quiz. Are you all ready? A big yo. Yo. Hi Prachi. Hi Sushant. Hi Yadav. Yo. Okay, that your emoji is a robot. There are so many robots. And here comes your question number 1. All the best to all of you. Quite easy questions. Think and answer. All natural numbers are integers and all integers are natural numbers. Think over the statement. True or false? All natural numbers are integers and all integers are natural numbers. Answer it. Hi Smita, I do notice you, my dear. Hi Jayanti, hi Anita, hi Khushi's World, hi Ravi Sharon. Don't write the answers in the chat box. Write the answer in the Menti. Hi Narasima, I am perfectly fine, my dear. Thank you so much for asking. Hi Devika, hi Shaurya. And here is the answer with 600 students answering in the Menti. Great. 343. Maximum of you gave the correct answer. It's false. All natural numbers are integers, but all integers are not natural numbers. Why? क्योंकि integers में बच्चों negative numbers भी होते हैं और zero भी होता है, जो कि natural numbers नहीं होते. Hi Hasini, happy birthday to you. And here's the leaderboard for question number 1. Moksh followed by Shaunak, Divyanshi, Nisarg, Sehasra, Avi, Sujal, Solo Viper, Akansha, Ashir. And without taking much of your time, here comes your next question. Jaldi say next question on your screen. Dash is such a whole number which is not a natural number. Is it 0, 1, 2 or none of these? Which of them is such a whole number which is not a natural number? Great guys, 23 seconds more. Hi Tanushri, thank you so much my dear. Happy birthday Deepak. God bless you. Thank you Shama Pathak. Hi Karasla. Oh, you are Pavitra. Hi Pavitra. Divyanshi, my dear, Menti is on a new page. You have to go to www.menti.com and then put your code. And then put today's code, that is 519137. Great going, guys. And 545. Amazing response, guys. It's 0 because 0 is such a number which is a whole number and not a natural number. Not a natural number. Yes, Sanjeev Kumar Bansal, I saw your name, my dear. Hi, Sonakshi. Thank you, Hasini. Hi, Durga Shri on top this time. Divyanshi, Solo, Nisarg, Anirudh, Super Indians, Sam, Akansha, Sparsh and Rijul Chopra. Well done, guys. Here comes your next question without taking much of your time on Sundays. Which number will come next in this picture? Imagine which pictures are these, think over it and let me know which will be the next number. Faster, 33 seconds to answer this. Okay, Sanjeev Kumar, all the best to win. Jayanti, very good that your answer is correct. Who's this? Who's this? Sarojini, happy birthday to you, my dear. Hi, Divyansh. Hi. Hi, Jasleen. Sureka, it is for every class. It is for every class. Sundays, I do take up common topics so that every one of you can join all together and meet your friends of different classes. Great going, guys. 431. Amazing. Amazing. The next number will be 19 because the picture I shown you was with prime number, starting with the smallest prime number. Hi, Balaji. I am not ignoring you and I do remember you. Durga Shri followed by Sparsh, Anirudh, Avni, Vidya Shankar, Nisarg, Sahil, DJ Vishwa, Manshi and Pratham Agarwal. Oh, very good, guys. Keep it up, keep it up. And here comes your next question. All of you need to be there in the class as well. Not only in the Menti so that I can take your lovely names. Find the next number in the series. Think over the series. I have given you 40 seconds to answer this. What is the pattern which is going on in this? And then let me know which is the correct number. Think faster. Hi Amit Joshi, hi Narasimha, fine, whatever place you are. But you are trying, you are giving your best, that's most important. Hi Anjani, hi MD. MD, the code is 519137. 519137. 5 seconds more, 5 seconds more. Hi Mohammed, hi Harshil, hi Deepak, hi Manohar, hi Mamta. Hi to all of you, hi Muthu Swami. And 366 of you gave the correct answer. Amazing, guys, amazing. All of you, all the best for the next question. Yes, Tirupati, in this sessions on Sundays in Math Amaze, I am going to take every topics which will be helpful for you. Let it be any topic of maths. Again, Durga Shri on top. Well done, Durga Shri. Followed by Anirudh, Priyansh, Suhani, Sehasra, Beauty, Dipankar, Anshuman, Pratham, Saksham. Thank you, guys. Thank you. And here comes your next question. Before that, subscribe to the channel. All those who have just joined the class, subscribe to the channel and hit like the video. Hit like the video faster before I come to the next question. Hi Kushi, such a nice name. Keep spreading smiles. How many more questions? Many questions are left, my dears. All the best for all of them. Hi Sharanya Rao. Hi Ashwita. Hi Purva. Hi WhatsApp status. Oh, sorry. Your name is Yogita. Hi Shweta. Hi Madhwan. Such lovely names. Have you all subscribed to the channel? Saturn strikes. All the best for your maths exam tomorrow. And have you all subscribed and liked the video? Yes or no? Yes or no? Faster. Shajita Ranjitan, I am not ignoring you, my dear. And here is your next question. All the best, guys. All the best. Which set of numbers does not include -8? In the options given below, which of them will not include? See the word not. -8. Think over it. Hi Cartoon World Hindi. Hi Deepak. Hi Umisha. Hi Avantika. Oh, hi Mehak. My best friend's name is also Mehak. So many best friends in my class today with the same names. Hi Shamita. Hi Lakshya. Hi Shille. Hi Pranjal. Hi Soumya. Hi Raghav. Yes, I do remember you. Hi Deepa Mehta. Great going, guys, and I hope amazing. 264. Not bad. 264 of you gave the answer as whole numbers, and yes, it is whole numbers because whole numbers start from 0 and they don't have negative numbers. They start from 0, goes on till infinity. Hi Durga Shri, Anirudh, Beauty, Suhani, Air 1, Tusha, Aryaman, Saksham Bansal, Kanveer and Abhi. Great job done. Here comes your next question. Yes, Amit Joshi, because all of them are for other grades also. The other name for the 10 numbers which you use in your everyday life to frame any other number. Are these called factors, multiples, dividends or digits? Faster, 22 seconds more to answer. All of you keep subscribing to the channel and we are soon going to be a big family of 2 lakh subscribers. Faster. So do be a part of our family Vedanta Young Wonders by subscribing to the channel. Yes, and the answer to it is digits. Amazing. 413 of you gave the correct answer. Well done, guys. Well done. And here is the leaderboard for this question. All of you join the class faster. Hit like the session, my dears. Durga Shri, Anirudh, Beauty, Suhani, Saksham Bansal, Aryaman, Air 1, Sahasra, Parth and Pranay. Well done, guys. Here comes your next question. Question number 7. All the best. Thank you, Sanjeev Kumar. Find the next number in the series. Analyze the series. Think over. बच्चों सोचो क्या पैटर्न चल रहा है इसमें, क्या सीरीज चल रहा है, क्या हम कुछ प्लस कर रहे हैं, माइनस कर रहे हैं, क्या कर रहे हैं यार, जल्दी से सोचो. 30 seconds to answer. Thank you, Jayanti, that you are happy. Sushil Kumari, you have to go to a new page, बच्चा, on Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. वहाँ पे जाके टाइप करो www.menti.com and the code for today's quiz is 519137. Hi Shille, hi Reshma, hi Alka, hi Sesh, Yashasvi, hi Manshi, hi Aida. So many new names. Hi Technical. What is the answer? Amazing. 415 of you got the series and it is +2 +2 -1. +2 +2 -1 was the pattern which was going on. So if I add 12 + 2, we get the answer as 14. No cheating, Mamta, no cheating. No one is cheating. Durga Shri, Beauty, Anirudh, Saksham, Air, Suhani, Sahasra, Aryaman, Litin, Sai and Pranav. Well done, guys. Next question, all of you. I want new joinees in the leaderboard. Faster. Increase your speed. Very good. Yadav, I am not ignoring you. Rehan, you have to go to a new tab or www.menti.com. Click karna. Now a riddle for you. I am an odd number, but if you remove a letter from me, then I become even. Which number am I? 7, 5, 9 or 11? Sorry, it's 5, 7, 9 or 11. Which is such a number? Think over it. Think over it. Faster, faster, faster. 15 seconds more. 15 seconds more, guys. 15 seconds more. Pallavi Aroda, I am not ignoring you. Hi, Mamesh Tuna. Great, great, great. Hi, Satyam Saurav. Hi, Archana Singh. Pallavi, I am not ignoring you, my dear. The code is 519137. My dear, such a easy riddle. And only 232 of you gave the correct answer. It's 7. अगर 7 में से S हटा दो तो वो क्या बन जाएगा? Even. I asked you to remove a letter from it. Again, Durga Shri on top. Anirudh, Suhani, Sehsra, Litin, Casper, new joinee. Hey Shweta, you are there. Anshuman, Ashwat and Skylar Williams. Congratulations, all of you. Next question, all the best. Hi Muskan, welcome to your first class. First of all, subscribe to the channel. How many even numbers are there between 1 and 20? 1 और 20 के बीच में कितने even numbers होते हैं? Faster. 30 seconds more, 30 seconds. Hi Soumya Sinha, I am not ignoring you. Hi Sunil Kambalkar. Hi Vivekanand. Hi Siddhant Gupta. Mamta Thakur, the code is 519137. 519137. Radhya's Dance Station, you have to go to a new page, type www.menti.com and you have to put today's code. Hi Kamlini, I do remember you, my dear. And 333 of you gave the wrong answer, but the correct answer is 117 students of you gave the correct answer. It's 9. बच्चों between का मतलब है extremes को add नहीं करते, तो you don't have to add 20. 20 को add नहीं करना था. between मतलब 1 और 20 को ignore करना है. New joinees, Durga Shri, Anirudh, Skylar, Harshwats, Vidya Shankar, Eric Paul Matthew, Divyam. Tomorrow I have maths exam. All the best. Sparsh and Saksham Bansal. Congratulations, all of you. And next question on your screen. I hope you all are enjoying. There are 100 boxes. These 100 small boxes. How much does the blue portion represent of the whole? 30 seconds more to answer. Jitendra Chauhan. Oh, you are Muskan. Hi, Muskan. I am not ignoring you. Hi, Priya. My name is also Priya. Hi, Anya Tiwari. Iron Man. The code is 519137. 519137. Hi, Nehal Best. Hi, Ashutosh. Hi, Kiran. Great going, guys. Great going. Hi, Shirish Markan. I am not ignoring you. Amazing, guys. A tough competition. 211 of you gave the correct answer. It's 1 by 5. टोटल कितने बॉक्सेस थे? 100. 100 में से 20 ऑलरेडी कलर थे, तो 20 by 100. दिस वॉज फ्रॉम फ्रैक्शंस एंड व्हेन यू कट 20 by 100 in the simplest form, you get 1 by 5. Durga Shri, well done. Harsh, Vidya Shankar, tomorrow I have maths exam. Once again, all the best. Anirudh, Saksham, Litin, Sai, Aryaman, Anshuman and Heshwita. Well done, all of you. And here comes your last question for today's Menti. All of you, keep it up, keep it up. If 1080.3 and 1080.03 are the given numbers, then which of them is greater? Decimals. Because types of numbers में तो और भी तरह के types आ सकते हैं. Yes? Great, great, great. Last question. Think and answer faster. 20 seconds more to answer. Hi Ranveer Kalke, Jitendra Chauhan, I am not ignoring you. Hi Amit Kumar Sharma, hi Babita, hi Pranjali, hi Shyama Pathak. Oh Sanjali Shri, you have your birthday today. Happy birthday to you, my dear. God bless you with abundance of happiness. And the correct answer to it is given by 348 of you correct. Well done. Because we have to compare the whole number first, जो वहाँ पे डेसिमल से पहले, और उसके बाद you have to compare the exact number after the decimal, which is called 10th place. So that is first number is greater. Durga Shri, congratulations. Followed by Harsh, Vidya Shankar. Tomorrow I have exam. Anirudh, Saksham, Bansal and Litin Sai. I am not able to read. Aryaman, Hashwita. Well done, guys. Well done. Congratulations, Durga Shri, with a winner of today's quiz with 10,916 points. Amazing job done, my dears. All the best to all of you for the next quiz on Sunday. So I am going to meet you next Sunday. But before that, tomorrow we have grade 7 class for session number 2, Triangle and its properties, sharp at 5 p.m. So don't forget to miss the class. And my dears, subscribe to the channel. All the new joinees, hit like the bell icon right now. Hit like the bell icon right now. Thank you, Pradeep Chaudhary. Thank you all for giving your precious time on Sunday on your favorite channel, Vedanta Young Wonders. So keep enjoying, keep learning even during the lockdown with us. Bye. Take care and stay safe at your places. Bye-bye.